Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Lakshmi. Today's topic is space complexity. So we'll define the space complexity. It is the amount of space is required to complete the program execution, and it is depends on the size of the input. It represents with the big O notation. The formula is S of P is equal to C plus S of P, where S of P is the space complexity, C is the constant and it is the independent variable, that means fixed. SP is the variable, it is a dependent variable, that means it is a variable part. Next, the memory is focused on the two parts, that is a fixed part and a variable part. Fixed part means it is independent of the input size, and we have to store as constants, variables and fixed size data structures and code. Whereas in variable part, it is the dependent on the input size. So this is stores the dynamic memory allocation, stack space and temporary variables. Examples as list, trees and other dynamic data structures. And we have to use three different components for storing the memory space. Those are instruction space, environmental stack, data space. Instruction space means we have to store instruction or code. Environmental stack means a function has a partially executed at the time of function call. Next, data space. In this data space, we have to store the data, that is variables and constants. Next, a few rules are used for space complexity. So that is 2 bytes are used to store the integer value, and 4 bytes are used to store the floating point value. 1 byte is used to store the character value. 6 or 8 bytes used to double value or long value. Next, two types of complexities, space complexities we are using here, that is constant space complexity and linear space complexity. Constant space complexity means a fixed amount of space is required for all input values. Anni input values ki fixed input size అనేది ఉంటుందన్నమాట. That's why it is called it as constant space complexity. We'll see one example, that is algorithm sum of PQR. P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 2 and R is equal to P plus Q. P stores one step, Q stores one step, R stores one step. Why? Because they are all constants. And we'll apply in the formula S of P is equal to C plus SP. కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అన్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి, సో కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అన్నిటికీ పైన చెప్పినట్టు 1 + 1 + 1 + SP అని ఉంటుంది. టోటల్ 3 SP, వేర్ SP is 0. That's why we are not considering SP value. Now space complexity of this program is 3, that is order of 1. Next we'll see one more thing, that is another space complexity is linear space complexity. So for that we'll see one more example. Algorithm sum S comma n total is equal to 0 for I is equal to 1 to n do total is equal to total plus S of I. Total is equal to total plus S of I is the body of the loop. So for the above code, S is the array name, n is the size and n is indicates one step, total is one step and I is one step. So for this the constants are 3 and S will uses n steps. Why? Because S of I is indicates the body of the loop, that's why it will uses n steps. So total constants is 3 plus n. Constants we are not considering here, only complexity, n value we are considering, that is the complexity of this program is order of n. Thank you.